What's up guys, Crazy Snapper's back in the studio and we're gonna make some mugs today, so why don't you stick around and check it out. Alright guys, here's the mug we got going on in this episode. Turned out pretty nice. If you want to see how this thing is made, here we go. I'm going to start off with a couple of rings here in the center, working my way out, make a nice little bullseye, get my ball of clay, whack it down, center it up, ready to go. I got the video playing here at a little faster rate for you guys to keep this thing moving along. Now that I got the clay nice and centered, just gonna smooth it out a little bit here and get ready to open it up. Once I'm done with the poke here, I'm going to take my finger and open it up. I ended up pulling this one up a little bit more than you like to do. I think I ended up doing about 6 good pulls here. You want to try to get it to around 3. Overall, it still turned out pretty decent. If you find that you're having trouble getting that base centered, I've been using the rib tool here. It seems to work pretty good. Probably recommend using a wooden one than a plastic one. They seem to bend a little bit too much, but it helps to get it nice and centered there. To flare this one out, I started up a little bit higher than the base of this thing, started pushing it out, then working it back in on the way up. I was really happy with the way that the mug actually ended up turning out. I like the way it fanned out there. Got a nice solid base on it. Just need to start smoothing out the lip of the cup here, and then we could start working on trimming up that bottom. Once you're done trimming up the bottom, you want to finish it off with a little bit of sponge action there to get it nice and smooth. Work it all the way over, sides, the rim, finish it up. Now that I'm all done, just gonna grab my wire here and cut it off. And that should wrap this one up, huh? So that wraps up this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Mug turned out pretty nice. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. And stay tuned for some more cool pottery videos. Later.